In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can emote fly here in Rivals on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, emote flying is essentially a movement trick where you use certain emotes to launch yourself in the air across the map. It's usually combined with items like the scythe or explosives for extra height and extra speed. The first method though is the vertical clip, and we can go ahead and make our way over to the shooting range just to go ahead and demonstrate this for you. Essentially what you want to do is equip an emote with strong upward movement and then stand under a thin ceiling or a ledge. There's not really any good areas except for like right here, but essentially just go ahead and do your emote. It's going to send you flying up in the sky. Now you want to do this at like the peak of your jump. That's when you should try and do your emote because it'll send you flying even higher. But you can also use a method called emote launch flying where you equip a movement emote and something like a satchel or subspace mine just like so. And essentially just go ahead and run on it and then do your moving emote specifically while you're already in the air and you'll continue to fly super high. You can also detonate the explosive to go even further if you're using an explosive weapon. But that really is the entire process. That is how you can emote fly here in Roblox Rivals. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.